We have already discussed this part, how we can get first few 5-star order reviews. Whenever you created a gig, make sure to get at least 5-star reviews in couple of weeks. Like within 10 days, make sure to complete at least 5 orders. How to get these 5 orders? Simply ask your friends, family member, relatives, anyone. Just ask them to purchase your service. You can compensate them offline too, but make sure the chat which you have done on Fiverr, it should look complete legit chat. Otherwise, Fiverr will ban you forever. Never share your email, password, and phone number and all that stuff. For example, you have invited your friend on Fiverr to let him purchase your service. Simply ask him to discuss like he needs XYZ website in $5. Okay. He will purchase your gig. Will deliver him a website or mock-up, even though doesn't matter at all. But yeah, he will rate you 5-star reviews and write a descriptive, really good review on that purchase. This is how you will get at least 5-star until you start getting organic orders from all over the world instead of only your family members and relative or your friends. And this is how you can rank your gig and get 5-star reviews.